Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to store sunglasses properly so they last longer. And this will be a tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 4 simple things that you can do and keep in mind, and hopefully by doing these things and keeping them in mind, they will help your sunglasses last longer because you'll be storing them in the proper way, okay? So we're going to get through this quickly, so pay attention. I'm going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point, so please pay attention. Starting off with number one. Number one is store them in a proper carrying case if you can. So if you have a proper carrying case for your sunglasses, that is basically, I would say, one of the best things to use for storing your sunglasses, okay? So, you know, sometimes sunglasses will come with a proper carrying case, or sometimes you might have to get a proper carrying case separately, but if you have a proper carrying case that you can use for your sunglasses, that's probably the best place to store them. So that's going to be your first option. If you have a proper carrying case, make use of it, okay? Next up is number two. Number two is, if not a carrying case, then store them on a flat surface. So if you don't have a proper carrying case, then store them on a flat surface. You want to avoid storing them on things like a couch cushion, which might have a little bit of an angle or a rounded portion to it because they might slide around or roll away. Anything that's rounded, anything that's got an angle, you want to avoid that. Think in terms of maybe a countertop. Think in terms of a table, something with a flat surface, right? Now you can put them down like this, or you can fold them up and put them like this. It's kind of up to your preference. I mean, there's different trains of thought for which ones are better or worse. But at the end of the day, you know, like this where they're folded up or opened up and like that, I think both are okay as long as it's on a flat surface, okay? And along with the other stuff that I'm going to say momentarily. So flat surface, that's one we've gone over. And now we're going to move on to the next one, which is number 3. Number 3 is, do not let the lenses touch the surface. So your lenses, you want to avoid letting the lenses touch the surface. That's why I said put them down like this, or you can fold them up like that. You don't want to place them down like this. The lenses will touch the surface. You don't want to place them in any situation where a surface is going to touch the back end of the lenses. Maybe there's something pointy, maybe there's something sticking out. Don't let the surface touch the lenses, okay? That's the idea, okay? That's straightforward. You know, I've said that enough. So we're going to move on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. And number 4 is, store them in a non-dusty area if possible. Okay, and that's it. You know, if you have a choice between storing them in a dusty area or non-dusty area, store them in the non-dusty area, because if you store them in a dusty area and dust gets on them, you know, eventually that dust might cause damage to the lenses or to the frames. They might deteriorate a bit faster, the lenses or the frames. They might get scratched a bit faster. It all depends on how you handle them after the dust gets on them. And also it all depends on how much dust gets on them and the type of dust, the coarseness of the dust that gets on them. But if you have the choice, you know, if you have the ability to store them in a non-dusty area, then store them in a non-dusty area. If you have to choose between storing them in a dusty area or a non-dusty area, and there's no other factors to keep in mind, then choose the non-dusty area. Simple as that, okay? And that's, you know, I think that's common sense, but I figured I'd say it anyways because it's important if you want to get your sunglasses to hopefully last a longer period of time and have a longer lifespan overall, hopefully, right? We hope that we're giving our sunglasses a longer lifespan. We don't know because anything can happen, but we hope that we're giving our sunglasses a longer lifespan. And that is essentially it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.